Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to do lipid replenishment for skin to make it soft, luminous, and glow with my Manuka honey plus vitamin C ester oil. 17 curated oils combined. Really important to use an oil. Your skin has lipid components and we have to replenish them, whether your skin is combination or extremely dry, right? Now I'm going to show you how to do this and how to use a cryo roller that is made of ionized surgical grade stainless steel, which has ions that go in this direction. So it helps not only push skincare deeper into the skin, but also I'm going to show you how to massage it, help reduce excess lactic acid buildup in the muscle, and help lift the skin. Now this one's already cold. I had it in the refrigerator. I'll do one side of my face for you and show you. I'm going to apply the Luminous skin oil, right? I used about 5 drops. I'm going to warm it up. I'm going to cup it into my skin. And that's the right way to do oils. You cup them. Oils are so important. In fact, if you use nothing else, I prefer you use an oil over anything. I use a serum, an oil, and a moisturizer. But still, oils are the king of skincare, if they're fine oils. So this is a Cryo roller. It's really cold right now. I had it in the refrigerator. You can also put it in the freezer, but you have to wait a while. Let it cool, so you don't freezer burn. This is cold. Now I'm going to start here, right? Now I'm going to show you something. There's a muscle right here that that needs to relax, so that we could lift back up in here in this area. And it runs this way. So I'm going to first massage it this way, right? Just like so. And then I'm going to get in here, I'm going to massage it this way. And then long strokes. There is a pressure point right under here, right, that we're going to hit. And I'm going to let it rest there for a minute, like you feel it. And I'm going to go up, 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 and out. Now, I'm going to follow the natural drainage pathways in this area, which is down, sideways and down, sideways and down. Now, around the eye, we're going to do drainage as well. I use the bigger roller in this area first, right, and massage those muscles, help them relax the tension from those wrinkles they're making. Lactic acid builds up, just like working out on your body, and you get massages. Same thing this is doing. I'm going to switch it to the small side. We're going to do a little bit of rolling around the eye. You go really gentle around the eye. Let the ball do the work. And this is, again, how we are draining. You also have lymph nodes above the brow, and you don't want to push too hard, but you could do a lymphatic drainage this way as well. And same with this area. You're going to go down, actually, right? Because that's how you naturally drain. You drain down. And you're going to go sideways and down. I come back in here. I'm going to hit that again. I'm going to hit that pressure point again. I'm going to work it up. I'm going to hit that muscle again right here. Elongate it. Push that back up. Push that back up. Because when that muscle tightens, it tightens this and you look like you have more of this. So I want to show you something on half my face, right? So I did this side of the face. Look how much more lifted this side of the face looks and glowing. Look at this side. See that line? See how my cheek is still falling down over here? Look at the side of my mouth. Look at that. Oh, I don't want that. Look at that. I hate this thing here. What is that? Look at how we can tighten all of that up. I do my Cryo roller every morning, right? And I do it along with the Manuka honey oil, and it keeps the face really nice and tight, not puffy. My one eye even looks higher than the other, doesn't it? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I love it. You're going to love it too.